Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. We have a very important tile tool to review for you. This is the Dust Hog. This tool right here helps to keep the job site clean from dust, but most importantly, helps to keep the silica dust out of your lungs. Now, silica dust can cause cancer as well as silicosis, which is long-term lung disease. Now, silicosis can continue to progress even if exposure stops, because once the tiny particles are in your lungs, it's impossible to cough them up. Okay, let's show you what this looks like and show you how it works. Hook it up to a shop vac and show you how much dust this can eliminate. And here it is, the Dust Hog. This can be used for residential or commercial. Very simple. You attach your shop vac here and lay this on the edge of your bucket. Whatever you're going to use to mix up your thin set mortar, your grout, your self-leveler, your concrete. This tool is made in the USA, OSHA compliance, fits most vacuum hoses, works with almost any container, hands-free operation, helps meet OSHA silica ruling, minimizes cleanup, very easy to use. Let's show you how this works. Very easy to use. Simply attach it to your shop vac hose, and this works on nearly every type and size of container. Large containers, small containers, your standard 5-gallon buckets. So what we're going to do is really simple. We're going to show you how much dust is kicked up without using this, and of course how much dust this extracts, keeping it out of your lungs. Now with white thin set. Well, there it is. This absolutely does work. Made in the USA. You have your mixing station, your bags of thin set, your buckets, your water, your mixers. Add a shop vac, add this to that mixing station, save your lungs, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to, if you want to see future videos, tap subscribe, tap that bell notification, tap like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.